There are a variety of theories on why society has changed, of what and who is responsible for the progression of history. One of these theories is that the action of kings and rulers, some goodies and baddies, have been the decisive factor in historical development. Others regard everything as being brought about by accidents, claiming there is no pattern in history. Others have the common conception of a supreme being governing mankind. Then there are theories based on the idea of a mind, or spirit separate from the material world. For example, Hegel saw changes in history as the realization of the absolute idea. The method of Marxism is scientific, that is, it studies the facts about human society and its development in order to discover what processes are at work in society, what causes change. The enemies of communism often present class struggle as if it's the invention of communists. But class struggle existed before Marx and Engels. They did not invent it but analyzed the part it played in historical change. The Marxist world outlook is called dialectical materialism. To understand the world dialectically is to see it in motion, and how contradictions lead to change. By materialism it is meant that our world is composed of matter and is therefore quantifiable. Human society can be understood by the development of material factors. Production, the basis of society. In order to survive, men and women must wrest from nature the means of survival: food, clothing, shelter. And they obtain these means of living by working together on nature, called production. While the way production is carried out and the use and ownership of the products changes in the course of history, the common features throughout all of society are that production is essential for the continuation and development of society, that production is a social activity in which the labor of people are linked together, that the tools used for production reflects the level of technique for a particular stage of society. For example, the stone tools of the Stone Age or the complex machinery of the present day. These are the productive forces.